Hey guys, welcome to the Maryland Power Wash and Power Wash training channel. My name is Phil. This is my first video on here in a long time. I've used this YouTube platform to have videos hosted for my employees, but now I'm going to mostly use it for our training portion of our company. So I want to give an accurate representation of what the power wash business is like, especially in this time of year when it's typically winding down at the end of the season. There is still money to be made, so we're gonna go ahead and get some stuff done today. I'm gonna show you the 3 jobs that we're doing throughout the day. And while it's not a great money day, it's still over $1,000. So if you're not used to making that kind of money, you're gonna be like, over $1,000? That's great. But for me, I prefer for one truck to do $1,250 to $1,500 plus per day. But you take what you can get when you can get it. So I will keep updating this video throughout the day so you can see what it's like on a typical day power washing. Any questions, drop them in the comments. I am happy to reply with any questions you have. Okay, so I did just pull up to job number 1, and they're not quite ready for me yet, so I'm gonna hang tight in my truck for a minute. But I gotta say, today is a windy day, and you'll learn if you start this business that wind is like our enemy in power washing. It makes everything take longer. On top of that, it's kind of cold out here, and cold weather and the cleaning solutions don't always work that well together. However, we do what we can do, and it's all good. I'm just glad to be working. I'd rather be working than sitting on my butt at home anyway. So once they're ready for me to get started here, I'll do a walk around of the house for you, tell you what the price is on the house that we're washing. I'll give you my estimated time that it'll take to clean it, and then when I'm done, I'll tell you how long it actually took. All right, so this house wash is gonna be $405. I estimate that it'll take me about 1 hour and 45 minutes. So let me show you what we got here. It's roughly 2,500 square feet, and it's pretty dirty, but nothing crazy. Just do a walk around the whole house. We are not doing the deck. And I will show some video of me cleaning, but this is not going to be a how-to video of how to clean. It's just going to be a video that shows what you can expect in a typical day power washing. It's a little tight over here, can't really see. But when I'm done, this place will be spick and span. Okay, so I'm not sure if you can tell or not, but I will know once this video is uploaded, but my solution has done its job. It's got most of the mold off of there, and now I'm simply gonna rinse it off. Okay, so all finished up, and instead of it taking me an hour and 45 minutes, it took me 2 hours plus 30 minutes drive time. That puts us right at around $162 per hour, all said and done, and less than $5 in cleaning solutions. So that's job number 1. I've got a 28-minute ride to the next one, and I will check in then. Peace. Okay, so this next one, they had to switch it up on me last minute. and went from a full house wash to just one side. That's a little bit frustrating, but it's okay. So we're gonna do the one side for $265. Initially I told them I can't just do one side, but then they went to cancel, so I said, okay, I'll do the one side. So obviously some money is better than no money any day of the week. And this one is going to be a pain in the butt, so I will not be recording anything here, although I will take a picture before and after to show you what it is. But this one side should take me roughly 45 minutes. It's pretty high up, so if it wasn't so high up and it wasn't so windy out today, it would be about 30 minutes. So I'm going to get this started and I'll check in soon. Okay, so that job took me a little bit longer than 45 minutes. It took me 50 minutes. So in decimal form, that's about 0.83. We had about 30 minutes of drive time, or 35 minutes of drive time to add to that. So the hourly total for that job, including drive time, is $176 per hour. So on to the last one now. And this is just a house wash, not as high, and I'll walk you around here in a second. And this job is going to be $355, and let's go ahead and walk around so you can take a look. And I estimate it's going to take me about an hour and a half to do this. Here's the house. Okay, so the job is done. It took about an hour and 45 minutes instead of an hour and a half, which is not unheard of when it's cold and windy. Things just took a little bit longer than expected. We've got a 15-minute ride back, which means we're gonna be here for 2 hours total, and the total hourly for this job is $177.50. So right in the sweet spot. That's my goal, is to be between 150 and 175. So even though it was cold and windy, we were still right on the money. So I hope that helps you get a glimpse into what it's like for a day in the life of a power washer. Any questions, drop them in the comments. Peace.